Gingiwala, hello, how are you? Nyanyeri, my name is Margaret Brown, and I'm a proud Bundjalung woman from the far north coast of New South Wales, and I am here with the lovely Riley to my left and the lovely Chloe to my right. Ladies, just wondering, can you tell me a little bit something about yourselves?
I'm the oldest on. I have two younger siblings, and I've got two dogs, and I play basketball.
I am the second oldest of four. I love to do photography and I play basketball.
And tell me something fun about you guys.
I have a good sense of humour.
I have a bold personality.
That's really cool. And is there something else that, is there any questions that you guys like to ask me?
We do have a few questions. So one of them is, what tribe are you from and where is it located?
I'm from the Bundjalung Nation, which is in the far north of New South Wales. Yeah.
Why in the Aboriginal culture do you call everyone auntie, cousin, or uncle?
It's because of the relationship and the respect that we show towards each other, and we come from like a really large tribe, and we have huge families, and everyone's just like to show each other respect. The auntie, uncle, that's a sign of respect that we show all of our elders, and yeah.
When was the last time you encountered racism? How well did you deal with it?
Racism is like a common occurrence, where I could be standing in a shop in a line, and I would be overlooked, and they would serve the person that's behind me or next to me, well, knowing that I'm the next person in line. And what I do is that I politely ask that person to step back and inform them that I was the first in line, and then I just sometimes use a lot of humour to get through it. Yeah.
Yeah. And what type of music do you like to listen to?
I like a wide range of music. A lot of R&B would have to be my favourite, and yeah.
Who might be your hero?
That would be my dad. He was my hero that I looked up to him in a wide range of different reasons because of his work ethic and the protection that he gave his family, and just him teaching us and showing us that, that show people and the respect and honesty that that you give people and treat people the same way you'd like to be treated.
Yeah. And as young people, what can we do to support Aboriginal?
Just be empathetic.
Yeah.
And be there, and if you see someone being a bully or showing like racism and stuff like that, just say to them, hey, that's not cool.
Yeah.
That's not cool what you're doing, and, just show respect.
Yeah.
What obstacles stand between Aboriginal kids and higher education?
Sometimes it's like we learn differently. We learn by visual and doing stuff by doing it with our hands, and just got to take our time into learning some stuff. And also it's like we also put to the back of the room as well, we're not like put forward and stuff like that, but we generally get through it. And with the education, the opportunity now that us like Aboriginal people have in our younger generation is like the opportunity to get education is go for it. Just like take it. And because in the past, like education wasn't offered to Aboriginal people, but today it's like the opportunity that we have today is just great.
Yeah. And what is the best part of being an Aboriginal person?
Being me.
Yeah.
Being me and the person I am and wanting to share my culture, wanting to be like the individual that we can be and share the space. Yeah.
That's very encouraging. What is one stereotype that needs to stop?
That would have to be that, like when you're in the shopping centre, is like labelling like an Aboriginal person by just looking at them and thinking that they haven't got the resources to pay for the item. It's like when they actually do.
Yeah.
It's like stop doing that because it's not cool because you never know.
Yeah.
That Aboriginal person might be a millionaire. You don't know. Nobody knows. So we need to have that stopped.
Yeah.
And why are there dot paintings on the Aboriginal paintings and what do they mean?
Sometimes it depends on the tribe where you come from and sometimes, well, a lot of the time the paintings are done by not just off going and painting them. It's like it comes to you in a vision sort of a scenario where you just sit there and you think about what you're going to actually do with it. And like it depends on, the tribe, because a lot of the tribes, the dots originated from the Northern Territory with the tribes up there. And like where my tribe is, Bunjalung, is where we like to do x-rays and lines and stuff like that. So they all got different meanings on and where you put the dots and how you use them.
Yeah.
What advice would you give to young girls now?
Now is be better versions of yourselves.
Yeah.
And don't let anybody tell you anything different or try to say that you'll be never good enough. You always remember that you are worthy and you are beautiful.
That's very good advice. Thank you very much, Margaret.
Thank you. And thank you, ladies, for joining me.
Thank you for coming.